What's up guys, today's video is on the best welding cable. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. TEMCo Welding Lead and Car Battery Cable. TEMCo is a well-known brand that has received plenty of praise over the years. This is why its welding cable is our favorite. First, we have the most reliable choice from our choices for the top welding cable, which is the TEMCo WC0012. It's a 50-foot long cable capable of carrying 600 volts of power. Even with this large capacity, it comes with temperatures that range from -58 degv to 221 degv. It's extremely flexible because of its tough EPDM jacket that is on top, so you can count on the elasticity factor of the cable and rest at ease, knowing that it won't crack easily. The cable is an annealed 30-gauge cable constructed of pure copper conductor. The nominal dimension of the cable will be 0.526 inches, which is needed to handle such a high voltage. Its conductor stranding rate is 975/44, which makes it a superb conductor cable. Number 2. TYUMEN Red-Black Cable. TYUMEN is a brand that is underrated in our opinion, since it is an economical brand. You can purchase a low-cost weld cable at TYUMEN. Our second pick for top welding cables is TYUMEN 100FT 16-gauge 2-color red-black cable. It's a good alternative if want an insulated welding cable that has the lowest price. Although it's not expensive, it will provide 100 feet of length, with the capacity to carry a voltage of 24 voltages. It's a genuine 16 American conductor that can be utilized as an extension of an lead strip with no issue. This cable is commonly utilized in various DC electrical hookups, as well as cable with low voltage. It can also be employed for wiring in the home or for car stereo installations, as it is a low-loss cable. The top layer or jacket material is comprised of PVC, which is extremely flexible and eco-friendly. Number 3. Windination Copper Ultra Flexible Cable. Windination has received lots of praise over the years from customers who were previously its clients. Therefore, it's worth a look at the welding cables it offers. In the third position, there are pure copper cables from Windination. The WNI10 Arabin Florins 10 gauge 5 feet of black battery welding copper ultra flexible cable offers an array of gauges, color variations, and lengths to pick from. For each one you'll get 5 pieces of 5/16" stud copper lugs, 5 pieces of 3/8" stud copper cable lugs, as well as an additional 3 feet of black heat shrink tubing inside the package. The whole product was designed and produced by the USA. Therefore, you won't have any difficulty getting the cable repaired if you encounter any issues with the product's performance or quality. Number 4. GS Power Copper Clad Aluminum Cable. GS Power is another lesser-known brand from our list. It is nevertheless an excellent choice if you are looking for a low-voltage cable. We have an 8 Arabin Florins copper clad aluminum cable made by GS Power. It is a CCA black or red cable that is bonded and can be used in a variety of ways, either separately or joined together for applications with higher voltages. In either case, you'll receive 100 feet of cable included in the package. 50 feet of cable is red and 50 feet is black. Separating the cables is extremely simple since they aren't to be bonded within the packaging. The cables are of automotive quality and have the GPT PVC insulation at the top to protect against gas or oil damage to the exterior. Number 5. Windination Copper Flexible Cable Wire. Windination offers a variety of choices for welding cable. Therefore, we have added another Windination cable to our list. Here's another Windination welding cable at an affordable price. It's a 10-foot length version with a similar power capability that can reach up to 600 volts. The other features are identical to those of the previous Windination cables, including top-quality EPDM insulation jackets, as well as superior resistance to cuts, tears, abrasions, and damage from moisture. The copper inner cable is extremely strong in stranding rate. In conjunction with its EPDM coating, it offers extraordinary flexibility, which prevents accidental cuts. Because it's rated at 600 volts or more, the cable requires the highest temperature resistance which can be observed in this cable. It can withstand temperatures ranging from -58 degv to +221 degree temperature range. Since it is 100% pure copper wire, be sure that even at the highest temperature the cable will remain secure. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.